nails, screws, rivets, pieces of wire, broken glass, shards of metal, sharp stones. Each of these road hazards is a danger for all tires, regardless of the tire's speed rating, design, or what kind of vehicle it's mounted to. Obviously, once a tire is punctured, it usually begins to lose air, and sooner than later, it will go flat and have to be repaired or replaced. What about repairs for performance tires, though? Do the same repair or replace guidelines still apply? Let's chat more about that next. When evaluating repair or replace procedures for performance tires, you should first ask yourself what kind of repairs are considered acceptable by the tire manufacturer, and how do repairs affect a performance tire's speed rating and safety. The answers to these questions depend on a few factors. The first consideration should be the speed rating of the tire. Speed ratings Q through T, for example, should include repairs that follow general repair guidelines. However, H and higher speed ratings aren't so simple and vary from one tire manufacturer to another, and from one brand of tire to another. The important thing to remember, and to communicate with your customers, is that once the sidewall of a tire with an H, V, or Z speed rating is repaired, the customer should not use it at extreme speeds. The same can be said for a hole in the tread smaller than 1/4 inch in size that shows no signs of internal damage. It can be repaired, but customers shouldn't expect the same speed rating. If they want to use their vehicle for high-speed activities, a replacement would be best rather than repairing the performance tire. Other considerations follow general tire repair guidelines. For example, determine whether the tire suffered any structural damage when it went flat. Keep in mind, a tire should never be repaired without completely removing it from the rim and inspecting it inside and out. What may seem like nothing more than a nail hole may be more serious if the driver continued to drive on the tire after it went flat. If the tire shows any sign of run soft or run flat damage, such as burned, blued, or blistered rubber inside, or cracks, breaks, or separation in the inner liner, replacement is the only acceptable option at that point. Another way to determine whether to repair a performance tire is the size and location of the damage. Generally, the rule is that most tire manufacturers allow repairs of holes up to 1/4 inch in diameter in the tread area. Larger holes, cuts, or multiple punctures will require you to replace the tire. Some tire manufacturers allow small holes in the shoulder area and sidewall to be repaired, provided the holes are no larger than 1/8 inch in size. Others, however, do not want their dealers making any sidewall repairs because of the flexing that can occur. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.